welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to recreate a handmade idea I found on Pinterest. So let's get started. For this project you need brown felt, light brown felt, white embroidery floss and some stuffing. You can use toy filling or polyester fiber fill. First I draw a snowflake pattern. My design is made of two squares. One regular square with 8 cm sides and another 8 cm square turned diagonally. Inside this shape I draw a smaller pattern, about 5 mm smaller on each side. Using the larger pattern, I cut out 2 pieces from the brown felt. From the smaller pattern, I cut 1 piece from the light brown felt. I take the smaller piece and sew it onto one of the larger felt pieces. Then I add some simple embroidery. It's very easy and relaxing to do. Next, I carefully sew the embroidered piece, the filling, and the second piece of brown felt together. Finally, I attach a small satin ribbon. Thank you for watching, and I hope this little project brings some warmth and calm into your day.